Namaste to all dear warriors and students. Here I am with a new video relating to bank accounts. In this video we are going to discuss profit and loss account statement, how to prepare profit and loss account statement, and one more thing, there might be one theory question, what are the various books will be prepared under banking company. ओके एक बैंक को क्या क्या बुक्स प्रिपेयर करना पड़ेगा, एक थियरी क्वेश्चन भी आता है. एंड हियर इज़ दी बुक्स विच आर प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर द बैंकिंग कंपनी. సో आप एक बार పढ़ लीजिए, समझ में आ जाएगा. ఒకసారి మీరు చదువుకుంటే అయిపోతుంది. దీని గురించి నేను పెద్దగా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. అండ్ వన్ మోర్ థింగ్, దిస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ వన్, స్లిప్ సిస్టమ్ ఆర్ लेक्चर पोस्टिंग, दिस इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वन. शॉर्ट में भी पूछने के ज़्यादा चांस है. एंड फॉर्म ए रिलेटिंग टू बैलेंस शीट वी विल डिस्कस इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. एंड फॉर्म बी is relating to P&L account, which we are going to discuss now in this video. So there are two statutory forms, one is P&L, another one is balance sheet. So form B is relating to P&L account. So how form B of profit and loss statement will be there for banking company? Here is the answer. So profit and loss statement, profit and loss account for the year ended, जो ఆఫ్ यहाँ पे बैंक का नाम रहेगा वो बैंक नाम लिखते, ఏదైతే బ్యాంక్ పేరు ఉంటుందో ఆ బ్యాంక్ పేరు రాస్తాం మనం. అండ్ పర్టికులర్ షెడ్యూల్ నంబర్, కరెంట్ ఇయర్ ఇన్ రూపీస్, ఓకే 30 submitted, previous year amount in rupees 30 submitted. For pro forma sake, this will be the thing. First heading in profit and loss statement is income, second heading is expenses, okay, third heading is profit or loss, that is nothing but your income minus expenses. Roman number 1 minus Roman number 2 will be your profit or loss for the current year. Here it will come, okay. So next Roman number 4 appropriation. So four things are there in the total format. First thing, bank main income is for bank is interest earned, schedule number 13 is there. Other income, okay, 14. So I owe two things you remember, interest earned and other income, okay. IE interest earned and OI other income, okay. Schedule 13 and schedule 14. Schedule details we will discuss in later. Next one, total, okay, that is your schedule 13 and schedule 14 total you will take here. Then expenses, in expenses we are having three things. One, interest expended, schedule 15. Two, operating expenses, schedule 16. And provisions and contingencies, one working note we will do. And these three things will come under schedule, expenses. One, interest expended, main expenditure to bank will be interest on deposits they will pay, okay, that is. And operating expenses to maintain the bank. And provisions and contingencies, this you will do in working note 1. In provisions and contingencies generally two things will come, okay, provision for bad and doubtful debts and provision for tax, okay. So next is what, heading profit or loss for the year. Profit or loss for current year, that is your total income, Roman number 2 minus total expenses, Roman number 1 total income minus Roman number 2 total expenses, you will get profit for the current year. And brought forward, any profit or loss is there, that will come here in profit or loss for the brought forward, okay. So two things, one is current year profit, another one is previous year profit. Together total you will get here. Out of this total, appropriations means for future purpose you are transferring amount, and there is one thing compulsorily we need to do, that is transfer to statutory reserve under appropriations 25% of current year profit. What is your current year profit? In Roman number 3 you can see profit or loss for current year, it is there na? This is nothing but total income minus total expenses, Roman number 1 minus Roman number 2, whatever amount you will get here, on this amount you are going to calculate 25% as statutory reserve. Every year we need to transfer this, okay, and transfer to government and other reserves if any are there, that will come over here. Transfer to dividend if banking company is paying any dividend. So current year profit and previous year profit, brought forward profit, total profit will be there. Out of this total profits, these three, okay, transfer to statutory reserve, transfer to government and other reserves, and transfer to dividend. If you deduct all these three, you will get balance carried to balance sheet. This will be transferred to the balance sheet under the head reserves and surplus. Okay, if you add this all, your total will match with your total number, Roman number 3. So this is how we need to prepare format of P&L account relating to banking companies. So hope you have understood. That's it. एक छोटा सा वीडियो आप सबके लिए, so that you can easily remember. I repeat once again. Format. First one is what? Under format, particular schedule number, current year amount, previous year amount. But practically doing problem, only current year information will be there. So previous year information will not be there. No need to prepare this column while doing the answer. For pro forma sake, current year, previous year, both we need to mention. First heading income, under that interest earned, other income. Interest earned 13, interest other income 14. Then expenses, under that interest expended 15. Yeah, we can continue. So what we are saying, income, under this two things will be there. Interest earned schedule number 13, other income schedule number 14, total in दोनों का. Then expenses heading we will be having three things. First one is interest expended, that is the major expenditure to bank, and operating expenses schedule number 16. Provisions and contingencies we will do working note, and after this you will take the total of these three things. Okay, interest expended, operating expenses, provisions and contingencies, total. So total income minus total expenses. Next heading, profit or loss here. Okay, what will be there? Profit or loss. Under that profit for the current year, income minus expenses, you will get this one, total. Then profit or loss brought forward, last year का profit या loss रहा तो इधर लिख दो, and total you will take here. And after this, very simple, appropriations. Under appropriations, one thing you need to remember is statutory reserve 25% of current year profit के ऊपर करना है. Then transfer to government and other reserves, transfer to dividend. If you deduct these from the above income, okay, you will get balance carried to the balance sheet and total it. That's it. Here ends the your format of P&L account. So सीखते रहिए, क्योंकि सीखना बन तो जीतना बन. जय हिंद. दिस इज P&L फॉर्मेट. लाइक करो, शेयर करो, सब तक पहुंचा दो. जय हिंद.